Over the years, we've seen countless monarchies come and go, from England in Europe to China in France to Dubai in the Middle East, and even Morocco in Africa. But there are some royal families that have managed to hold on to their wealth and influence for centuries. From lavish palaces to extravagant private jets, these royals have it all. Most of these royal families have investments in banks, oil and gas, mineral mining, and other manufacturing companies. Before we dive into this video, it is important we understand what a royal family is. A royal family is a group of people related by blood or marriage who are part of a ruling dynasty, usually holding a title such as king, queen, prince, or princess. While many countries have abolished their monarchies, some still have them, and the families we'll be discussing today are the wealthiest among them. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the net worth of these royal families and how they acquired their wealth. Let's get down to it. The Royal Family of Denmark. Starting off our list at number 16 is the Royal Family of Denmark. The Danish monarchy has existed for over 1,000 years and is among the oldest in the world. Led by Queen Margrethe II, who ascended the throne in 1972, this family has an estimated net worth of $60 million. Their wealth primarily comes from their investments as well as a generous annual allowance from the Danish government. They hold a very high influence when it comes to promoting Danish culture, values, and international relations. Their public presence is quite significant in the country, and due to their popularity and the respect the Danish people have for them, it has helped in maintaining their position as a respected institution in the country's history and culture. 15. The House of Orange-Nassau. Next up at number 15 is the House of Orange-Nassau, the royal family of the Netherlands. With an estimated net worth of $300 million, this family's wealth comes from investments as well as a number of valuable assets including palaces, artworks, and real estate. Their wealth doesn't just come from their investments, as the Dutch government also pays an annual stipend to the royal family to cover major expenses in the royal household. The house has played a central role in the politics and government of the Netherlands and Europe, especially since William the Silent organized the Dutch revolt against Spanish rule, which after the 80 Years' War, 1568 to 1648, led to an independent Dutch state. 14. The Royal Family of Norway. We have the Royal Family of Norway. The current head of the family is King Harald V and his wife, Queen Sonja. With a net worth of approximately $320 million, this family's wealth comes from investments and their ownership of several valuable assets, including palaces, artworks, and land. Part of the Norwegian royal family income also comes from the state, which provides funding for all official duties and expenses. The Norwegian royal family is very philanthropic and involved with many charitable organizations. A lesser-known fact about this royal family is that this family is related to the British royal family, and King Harald V is a second cousin of the late Queen Elizabeth II of the UK. If you are still watching this video, it means you love it. Why not take a second and hit the like button? Have you done that? Let's move on. 13. The Royal Family of Spain. Number 13 on our list is the Royal Family of Spain. Led by King Philippe VI, this family's estimated net worth is around $670 million. Their wealth primarily comes from their ownership of several palaces and other valuable assets like art, antiques, and jewelry, with a value of more than 305,000 euros each. The states also contribute to the income of the royal family, but before that, the budget is subject to parliamentary approval, and the public is made aware when this budget has been dispersed. 12. The Royal Family of Sweden. Coming in at number 12 is the Royal Family of Sweden. The Swedish royal family is made up of the king, queen, their 3 children, and 7 grandchildren, with an estimated net worth of $750 million. Their wealth comes from a variety of sources, including investments, real estate, and the ownership of several valuable artworks. 11. The House of Grimaldi. At number 11 on our list is the House of Grimaldi, the royal family of Monaco. Led by Prince Albert II, this family's estimated net worth is $1.5 billion. Their wealth comes from a variety of sources, including their ownership of several valuable assets and investments. This is made up of land and palaces, as well as art, antique cars, shares in the Société des Bains de Mer Resort, and a rare stamp collection. Prince Albert II, the reigning monarch, is one of the richest in the world. 10. The Royal Family of Luxembourg. With a net worth of around $4.4 billion, the Grand Ducal family of Luxembourg is one of the richest royal families in the world. The family's wealth comes from land ownership and investments. To cover their expenses, the royal family has received $324,851 annually from the Luxembourg government since 1948. In 2017 alone, the family received around $12 million. While their net worth of Henri is private, the family is estimated to be worth a whopping $4.4 billion. 9. The Royal Family of Morocco. Led by King Mohammed VI, this family's estimated net worth is around $8.2 billion. Their wealth comes from a variety of sources, including investments and the Moroccan government. Mohammed VI can live the lifestyle he loves due to his personal wealth estimated at more than $8 billion, which is in addition to the budget for the royal court, which is thought to be several $100 million a year. This makes him the richest monarch in Africa and the 5th richest in the world. In 2016, King Mohammed VI of Morocco gave President Barack Obama a fine set of gifts, including a diamond bracelet, silver earrings, and a watch of a combined value of more than $100,000. 8. The Royal Family of Dubai. One of the most popular places on the planet, Dubai is also a monarchy led by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. This family is worth a whopping $18 billion. The Sheikh is also the current Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. The royal family of Dubai has built multi-billion-dollar empires over the past years. Most of their wealth comes from a string of investments. These investments seem to have paid off in the billions. Some of their investments include Dubai Holdings and Darley Stud, which is the largest horse racing breeding in the world. The royal family of Dubai also owns a large number of luxurious properties all around the world. 7. The Royal Family of Brunei. Next up at number 7 is the Royal Family of Brunei. Led by Sultan Hassan al Bolkiah, this family's estimated net worth is around $28 billion. The Sultan of Brunei lives in the largest known residential palace in the world, which holds a Guinness World Record. Their wealth primarily comes from the country's oil and gas reserves, which are controlled by the royal family. The Sultan of Brunei was once the world's richest person. This monarch has infamously been hoarding endless droves of some of the world's most remarkable cars, stashing them away within the restrictive confines of the royal family's collection. 6. The Royal Family of Thailand. Breaking into the top 6, we have the Chakri dynasty, the royal family of Thailand. Led by King Maha Vajiralongkorn, this family's estimated net worth is between $30 billion and $60 billion. Their wealth comes from their ownership of a number of valuable assets, including land, palaces, and commercial enterprises. Thailand's royal family has long been the biggest shareholder in 2 of the country's most valuable companies, Siam Commercial Bank PCL and Siam Cement PCL, as well as vast plots of land in central Bangkok that house luxury shopping malls, high-end hotels, and towering office buildings. 5. The British Royal Family. Perhaps the most popular royal family on this list is the British Royal Family, or the House of Windsor. Headed by King Charles III, the wealth of the royal family, also known as the Firm, stands at an estimated $88 billion. The largest source of wealth for the royal family is the Crown Estate. a large portfolio of assets valued at $19.2 billion, according to a report from the Crown Estate. The Crown Estate includes more than 191,000 acres of rural land, including the famed Windsor Castle, as well as retail and leisure businesses and high-end London properties. 4. The Royal Family of Abu Dhabi. The Al Nahyan dynasty is the fourth richest royal family in the world. It is located in the Middle East. It is one of the wealthiest in the world. Led by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Emir of Abu Dhabi and President of the United Arab Emirates since 2004, is the head of this family. The family fortune is estimated at $150 billion, much of which their oil companies bear. The Emir of Abu Dhabi is also one of the wealthiest landlords in London, with about $7.1 billion in real estate assets. That's simply astonishing. 3. The Royal Family of Qatar. The Royal Family of Qatar, or the House of Thani, is headed by Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. He became the Emir in 2013. This family has ruled Qatar since the 19th century. The net worth of the House of Thani is reported to be $335 billion, created by owning large stakes in companies like Tiffany & Co., Empire State Building, and Volkswagen. The Emir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Thani also ranks 9th in the top 10 richest royals, with a personal net worth of $1.2 billion. Qatar exports more liquefied natural gas than any other country. Its energy resources have made the royal family among the world's richest, and it is one of the biggest landowners in the United Kingdom. 2. The Royal Family of Kuwait. The Kuwaiti royal family, headed by Sheikh Sabah IV and the current Emir of Kuwait, has a net worth of around $360 billion. Most of the family's income comes from the oil reserves and numerous wise investments in U.S. stocks that have skyrocketed in value. The family is known for their extravagant lifestyle and luxurious palaces. They have the means to indulge in the most opulent of luxuries. From their palatial homes to their extravagant parties, the Kuwaiti royal family leaves no stone unturned when it comes to living the good life. 1. The Royal Family of Saudi Arabia. At the top of the list of the richest royals is the Royal Family of Saudi Arabia, led by King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. This family has a net worth of around $1.4 trillion, which is 16 times more than that of the British royal family. The family's wealth comes from the country's massive oil reserves, which were founded 75 years ago, changing the country's fortune and making the House of Saud the richest family on earth. The family is renowned for maintaining an enviable lifestyle, which has come under severe criticism on several occasions for being wastefully extravagant and full of pomposity. And there you have it, the 15 richest royal families in the world. It's interesting to see how these royal families have accumulated their wealth through various means, from oil and gas reserves to real estate holdings and land ownership. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.